Alright guys, this is the Computer Tech Guy, and finally my update to my very long video passed where I said I was going to try to upgrade my case, and I finally did. I did not go with the NTEC 900 due to the fact that it was way too big for my needs. So I went with the I think it's called the NZXT 559 something. I don't remember the specific model number, but I'll try to have it in the description. And right here you'll see basically the best cable management that I've done in a while. And we have the SATA cable coming out through there. We also have the USB 2.0 ports in the front coming through the back of the plate, and the top there's really nothing there, it's just plain. You have a 120mm fan right there. We could have put another one over here, but I didn't because it's due to the fact because of the CPU cooler being too big. It's not enough space there, and yeah. But I will be using that as a vent so the air could come out. And my CPU cooler has been upgraded. Now you'll see that there's actually two fans on it right now. One is blowing out there from the bottom, and one is blowing out from the top. Right here we have the this is called the power supply, and it's actually in the bottom. So oddly enough, it was kind of odd. I've never owned a PC case that actually had the CPU cooler in the bottom, but hey, it will do. And my case can hold up to a video card up to like 10 to 11 inches long. So very almost standard gaming cards out there. Like it could handle a lot of the big ones out there. And I currently have a 9500 GT. I think it was 9500 or 9400. Very old video card, and I'm planning to upgrade to maybe a 9800 GT. I know that that's still not the best video card out there, but I'm not planning to game on this computer yet. So there you go. Even though I've been trying to test out some games on this computer, and it's been able to handle Crysis and Modern Warfare 2 perfectly. I didn't see any frame rate going down. It was moving. The game was going through smoothly. So I really don't see why it would go down. But yeah, it has a video card. The video card is again I think it's the 9400 GT or 9500 GT. I did a video. It was basically my first video on my channel, and that's there. I have 4 gigs of RAM, a dual-core AMD processor, and that's what it is. And this right here, we only am using one of the SATA ports that has 4. And again, I still have my IDE hard drive, but it's not connected, and that's due to the fact that I'm planning to upgrade that to a SATA OG hard drive. So look forward to that, and I'll do an unboxing video if I can on that disk drive. So yeah, plan to upgrade that and making it a little bit shorter when I put it in the top, because the fan is in the way, and if I get a really big disk drive, it will not fit there. So hopefully I'll get a short one. And sorry about that. The only problem that I did have is my motherboard has the power supply connector all the way in the back, instead of standard motherboards having it right somewhere in that area. So as you can tell, I couldn't put it in the back of the case. Even if I have an extender, it still won't be able to go all the way back there without not showing that cable. It's basically going on top of my video card. Kind of looks ugly, but it would have to do for now, because until I upgrade to another motherboard where standard port will be up there, I will have to do with this. And yeah, currently I'm using a Wi-Fi and card there too. It's in the back of the case, and I'm using one of the PCI slots for the Wi-Fi N. And yeah, It's a black case. It's all black in the inside. Currently I'm using, I don't know if you guys can see that, it's basically backwards, so you're basically not going to see this, but it is a 300, let me see, I'm not going to turn the camera over because it doesn't make sense, but actually it does make sense. Let's turn this camera over. Give me a minute, guys. I don't know if you'll be able to see this on video, but it is a 320 gigabyte hard drive, and again, very nice black paint, and it is getting really dirty in there, and I have to clean this case. It's been a while, and if you guys cannot tell, I just wiped that off. It's getting really dirty in there, so I'll clean that with I'll buy a spray, one of those spray bottles, and we'll go through this case and air it out. So there it is, guys, my quick update on my PC, so-called PC build. And yep, it's not the final build. I'm still gonna be upgrading this PC, and maybe we'll actually get another case, because I'm not liking the access where they put the ports, the cable management holes. I'm not really liking that, so maybe I will upgrade a case eventually. Don't know when, but maybe I will. And again, that's my video, guys. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Peace.